Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials so code can talk to Sheets. Create the sheet and note its Spreadsheet ID, then enable the Sheets API in Google Cloud and download the service account JSON key so you have credentials. In parallel, open your React project, use Create React app or your preferred scaffold, and install Axios and a Google client helper like GappyScript or Googleapis. Once done, store the key securely and add the Spreadsheet ID to an env variable so your app can reference it without hard coding. Now you implement authentication and pull data. If you must keep keys secure, route requests through a lightweight backend that uses the service account JWT. Otherwise, use OAuth 2 on the client for user-driven access. Acquire an access token, then call Spreadsheets. Values. Get with the Spreadsheet ID and range to fetch rows. Once you get the array of arrays, map it to objects keyed by the header row and set that into React state with useState. UseEffect handles initial fetch, so the UI renders once data arrives. Finish by wiring rights and adding robustness. For edits, use Spreadsheets. Values. Update or append and set value input option to user entered or RAW depending on desired parsing. Update your React state optimistically so the UI feels snappy, but wrap API calls in try/catch and revert state on failure while showing error feedback. Finally, test permissions, quota, and CORS issues. Make sure the service account has editor access. If you hit permission denials, check sharing and scopes. Rotate credentials.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.